In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly draw anything on Google Docs. So if you want to just draw a quick drawing here, all you have to do is just click on the Insert tab and click on the Drawing area and click on New. From here, you will head over to the Drawing section where we have different tools. We can put any kind of lines if we want to. We can write any kind of text just by inserting a text box, and we can insert some shapes if you want to, like this. And then if you want to just make your own drawing, what you can do is just select this line and choose scribble, and then you should have the option of drawing whatever you want. And this is particularly very useful, especially if you want to write a signature or so on. So you can just draw your signature, and that's how you do it. Just click on save and close after that, and it will be inserted onto your Word document. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.